Money decisions are a part of daily life for children, and without the right guidance, they will miss out on key lessons. In fact, 96% of Indian parents recognize that financial literacy is essential and believe that it should be taught in schools as a core life skill. To answer this growing need, S. Chand Publishing presents the Financial Literacy Series for grades 3 to 8. This is 6 books that bring global expertise into Indian classrooms, shaping learners to be ready for the future. Each book has 10 comprehensive topics and 20 engaging lessons. It is fully aligned with the NEP 2020 and the NCF 2023. The content is designed and developed by MoneyPrep Inc., a global leader in youth financial education. The series follows a spiral journey, revisiting key ideas each year, deepening the understanding from foundations to mastery. In grades 3 to 5, children discover the ABCs of money: what it is, how to earn it, how to spend it wisely, how to save for goals. In grades 6 through 8, learners step into real systems, things like income and jobs, banks and budgets, digital money, credit, and future planning. What truly makes this series unique and special is how the students learn. Through stories, students see themselves in real-world scenarios and learn decision-making. With global perspectives, we prepare learners for tomorrow's interconnected economy. Practical case studies build problem-solving and decision-making skills. And the interactive exercises turn lessons into lively classroom experiences. Each assessment reflects real-life scenarios to measure true understanding. Give your students the tools to make smart financial choices with confidence. S. Chand's Financial Literacy Series shapes responsible and future-ready citizens. Explore the series today.